My name is Claire Wilson and I'm a professional genealogist with Treehouse Genealogy based in central Scotland. Like many businesses in Scotland, my volume of work dropped dramatically when the pandemic hit and archives, records offices and libraries were closed. With so many people volunteering with the NHS and in their local communities, I felt quite bad at not being able to get involved due to an existing health condition. The idea for the COVID archive came about after I had an online chat with a friend, and he made me realise that as a genealogist who regularly works in archives, creating a project to preserve the stories of those living through the pandemic was really important. And so the COVID Archive Project Scotland was born. Coronavirus has impacted on all our lives and in many ways is reminiscent of the Spanish flu of 100 years ago. The Spanish flu is said to have killed 50 million people, though further studies have put this figure as close to 100 million, yet it wasn't covered by the media in the way that you might have expected. So many lives had been lost during the Great War that it was felt by the public and authorities that the country could take no more trauma, the result being an unnatural silence. As we all progress through the current coronavirus pandemic, it does make you wonder how our own crisis will be portrayed in the generations to come. That is why the COVID Archive project is so important. In short, we want your stories. So this could be through the sight, sound, testimonies, thoughts, feelings, and even oddities that you've come up against throughout the crisis. Anyone who was living in Scotland during the pandemic is welcome to submit images, audio recordings, short videos, drawings, writings, newspaper cuttings, and anything else that you feel not only represents your own experiences, but would make an interesting addition to the archive for future generations. We welcome a group collection on behalf of your school, community, organisation or business. And if you're looking for a bit of inspiration, we have some ideas for you. Did you homeschool your children? How was this experience? Was it hard to keep them entertained on a day-to-day basis? And how have they dealt with the situation? Did your kids draw rainbows for the windows? Why not share these drawings with the project? Did you partake in daily exercise and what did this involve? Did you manage to lose some weight or, like me, did you put some on? What about empty streets? Did you see empty streets? Was it normally ones that would have been really busy? And did you notice a difference in the amount of noise, wildlife, or even traffic? Did you work in an occupation that kept the country going? If so, what was your experiences during this time? Were you stuck at home alone, cut off from family and friends? How did this make you feel? What did you do to keep yourself occupied? And how did you keep in touch with those closest to you? With many people taking up crafts and home baking, what hobby or pastime got you through? And did you learn something new that you'd never tried before? How has your career been affected? Did you carry on going to work? Did you work from home? Or perhaps you were furloughed? Were there any family events or birthdays impacted by the crisis? And what did this mean for you? Perhaps homemade cakes, lockdown parties? Did you have to postpone celebrations? We all had to get used to PPE, something that was quite alien to us all. And have you noticed any discarded PPE lying about the streets? Did you work with the NHS? And how did this crisis affect you? Did you clap for carers? And did this give you the chance to chat with new people within your community? What have you learned most from your experience? And moving forward, what might you change? Did you queue for supermarkets? And when you eventually got in, was there a shortage of certain items, empty shelves, or maybe even panic buying? With the country in lockdown, did you use public transport? Were the buses and trains emptied? What were your experiences of this? Have you looked forward to getting the COVID vaccine? Have you had it? How did you feel afterwards? Or are you someone who gave out the vaccines? Has your family or someone you know been directly affected by the virus? Why not share their story or your own experiences in relation to this? Or maybe there's something else you would like to share. You can submit your images, stories, recordings, or anything else. And if you want to give your submission a title, this could be the street name, town name where the picture is taken, or if you want, you could become a bit more inventive. What you submit is open to your own interpretations. Every story is so different, so feel free to tell your story how you see it. I'm sure that we all have media on our phones, social media accounts, that would make a suitable contribution to the project. So please get in touch via the website. It's at www.treehousegenealogy.co.uk/COVID. Or you can join our Facebook group at COVID Archive. You can email us at covid.archive.project@gmail.com. Businesses and organisations are also invited to submit a folder of images, short videos, sound recordings, stories, etc. to the project. We want to know how you have coped with the pandemic and what adjustments you've had to make as a business. We're happy to share your story on our Facebook group and in future mention your experiences in any talks we undertake with historic or community organisation, by prior agreement of course. You're also free to join our Facebook group and post your COVID stories for yourself. As we move out of the coronavirus crisis, the archive will be donated to an appropriate archive in Scotland with the instruction that it remain closed for a period of 40 years. Please contribute now so that your children, grandchildren, and maybe even great-grandchildren can learn from your experiences. Thank you for listening. Please help us by sharing this video to spread the word of this worthwhile project. Again, you can visit our website at www.treehousegenealogy.co.uk/COVID. You can join the Facebook group at COVID Archive, or you can email us at covid.archive.project@gmail.com. If you have a query that hasn't been mentioned, feel free to get in touch via email. We would love to hear from you. I would like to offer special thanks to Michelle Cohen of Cohen Art in Glasgow for a huge contribution of photographs and for some of the images that have been used during this presentation. Thank you.